Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily download the add-ons for the Advanced Pack Manager plugin. So make sure that you have installed and activated the version number of the plugin is 1.8.9, and this one easily downloaded from the Code Canyon. I'll put that link in the description. You can easily download the latest version from there. So once you installed and activated the latest version, then go to the plugin add-ons page, and there you will be able to see all the plugins, all the add-ons in here. If you go to the download, click on the download button, then it will take you to the site where we actually put all the updates in there, and you can easily download it from there. And once you downloaded that version 1.0.9 and installed in your website, then for the future release you do not have to come to this site and re-download it. You will get the update options below the version of the add-ons. It's very easy. You can easily use that for your site. I hope that helps. Thank you.